Check before after effect. Let's start editing. Choose your picture. Then share it in Romini application for enhancing.
Now add this picture in Lightroom.
So first crop it. Click and hold upper corner. Adjustment. First add blur. Get started. Blur amount 100. Just wait few seconds. Select your favorite blur from here. Done. Click on Light. Contrast. Shadow. Whites. Blacks. Select color. Click on Mix. Adjust all colors from here. Click here. Click here. Increase sharpening amount. Noise reduction. Color noise. Click here. Now check before and after effect. Click on Share and save it. Thanks for watching.